Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how an e-wallet payment device works step by step. First, the customer opens the e-wallet app on their smartphone and selects the payment option, such as Scan to Pay, Tap to Pay, or Send Money. Next, the merchant enters the bill amount into the payment device or POS terminal. This amount is shown clearly on the device, so the customer can check the payment value before continuing. After that, the payment device starts the transaction by using either a QR code or NFC technology. If it is a QR payment, the customer scans the QR code. On the other hand, if it is an NFC payment, the customer taps their phone near the payment device. Then, the customer confirms the payment on the smartphone. This confirmation can be done by entering a PIN, using a fingerprint, or using Face ID, which helps make the transaction safe. After confirmation, the payment device securely sends encrypted payment data to the payment gateway or wallet server. This means the sensitive payment details are protected while moving through the network. Next, the e-wallet system verifies the transaction by checking the wallet balance, linked card, or bank account. At the same time, the system confirms that the user is authorized to make the payment. Then, if the balance is available and the authentication is successful, the approval is returned to the merchant payment device. This tells the seller that the payment has been completed successfully. Finally, both the customer and the merchant receive instant confirmation. A digital receipt may also be generated, making the payment fast, secure, cashless, and easy to track. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.